Hello, and today we'll be seeing how to use a spreadsheet as calculators. So first I will go on to Google Sheets, then here, then I would go to Sheets, then I'll create a new sheet, then I'll enter a number here. You can be any random number. Just keep on going. Okay, now we'll do the calculations here. So we first add a equals to, then the cell number, which is A1 times B1. We'll do A1 times B1. So A1 and times is the little star times a B1, and let's see the answer. And the answer is 49,040. So let's do the same for A2, B2, and A3 and B3. So do do equals A2 times B2, and that's 30,024. Now let's do A3 and the B3. So A3 times B3 and enter, and that's 3,136. Now you can also add or subtract or divide, as well as multiplication. So for add, you just use the normal addition sign. For multiply, you use the star. That's add. That's subtract. That's multiplication. And that's division. So you can do lots of different ones. So you can select a cell. First we'll do equals to. And let's see what happens. So we're doing B1 plus A1. Take away A2 times B2 divided by A3. And let's see what happens. And the answer comes up as 87. So I hope you learned something from this video, and see you in the next one.